It's be honored to show this video. This is the new type ultrasonic welding machine of my company in 2019. The following video is about an USB cable welding case. It can help you in production as well. As you can see, the 35K ultrasonic welder is designed to be small, exquisite and concise. It's suitable for plastic products with small welding area. With the generator produced by my company, it will get more better performance. Look. There are some accessories of USB cable here. The welding process is very quick and simple. Just place them in the correct position on the mold. When you're ready, press the switch on both sides of the machine at the same time. It welding duration about for 2 seconds. See? It completed, just so fast. Let's take a look at the performance. If you wanted to know more information, just make one call to us. See you around.